After logging into the PowerAdSpy dashboard, find the YouTube icon on the left side of the screen. Click on it to explore the latest YouTube ads. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Tap it to unlock 3 powerful ways to explore ads by domain, advertiser, or keyword. Just below, you'll find the search by options, where you can filter ads by text and image, brand and image, object and image, or celebrity and image. Right beside that is the sort by option, allowing you to sort ads based on metrics like likes, views, comments, and average ad budget. Next is the filter option, which gives you the ability to refine your search by CTA, country, ad type, ad position, etc. For more detailed filtering, you can refine ads by position. You can also choose from various ad types, such as image, video, or banner, etc. Now, let's navigate to the Lander Properties section. Here, you can further narrow your search by affiliate network, e-commerce platform, funnel, marketing platform, or source. Let's try an example. Under the advertiser option, type Jew. Once you hit the search button, you'll see a variety of ads related to this search. Now, let's just remove the advertiser name. Next, let's explore the sort by section and set the average ad budget range between $758 and $965. After applying this filter and clicking search, you'll get the desired results. Here, you can view the ads that have been sorted according to the specified budget range. This allows you to easily compare and analyze ads that fall within your selected financial criteria. For more detailed information, click on the Show Analytics option available on each ad. Here, you'll see analytics such as social engagement, first and last seen dates, post date, ad language, and domain registration date. Lastly, scroll down to view the targeted countries for your selected ads.